Google just unveiled its Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, the phones engineered by Google and empowered by AI. Today, we're diving into the incredible features that make these phones a game changer. First off, let's talk displays. The Pixel 8 boasts an Actra display that's 42% brighter than its predecessor, giving you unmatched clarity for your videos, photos, and gaming. And for the Pro, we introduced the Super Actra display with a stunning peak brightness of 2400 nits and variable refresh rates. These displays redefine how you experience your content. The Pixel 8 Pro is designed with precision, featuring a silky matte glass finish and a high-polished camera bar. And the colors? Oh, they're simply gorgeous. From luxurious porcelain to the energetic bay blue, these phones are a statement of elegance. About the magic behind those lenses. Pixel 8 and 8 Pro come equipped with a range of camera enhancements. Capture those tricky group photos effortlessly with the best take feature, making sure nobody blinks or misses a smile. And speaking of magic, our AI capabilities are next level. Meet Assistant with Bard. It combines personalized assistance with reasoning and generative capabilities. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket, helping you make sense of your day, and even providing quick directions with just a voice command. So, whether you're capturing breathtaking photos, getting assistance on the go, or staying connected seamlessly with Pixel Buds Pro, Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are your go-to devices for the future. Don't miss out on this tech revolution. Pre-order your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro today and experience the future firsthand. And hey, if you found this video informative, don't forget to engage with our channel for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching.